What is up, guys? It's your boy Joseph from Ka-moto. So in this video, we're going to answer the question: is it okay to drive Neo Gear even if the check engine light is on? Alright, so let's find out. And we're also going to see how to fix it. Let's go.
Welcome to Ka-moto. Please like and subscribe.
Okay guys, so first of all, let me explain what is check engine light. So this will turn on if there is a problem with the engine or with the wirings or with the battery of the motorcycle. So there are two kinds of check engine light. So the first one is a steady one like this, and the other one is blinking. Okay, so if it's a steady light like this one, that means it's a minor problem. There's a minor problem, so you can still ride it, but I don't. Okay, so just a disclaimer. I am no expert with this. In my opinion, you can still ride it because it's not blinking, so it's a minor issue, but it is better to go to Yamaha service center to have it checked so they can diagnose what is the real problem. And the other one is the blinking type. So if you see that one, that means there's a major problem with your motorcycle. So it is better to go to Yamaha service center as soon as possible. Okay, so if you watch our previous video, the Kickstarter check, the Neo Gear S Kickstarter check, then you already know what caused the check engine light problem right now. So I checked everything. I checked the stop and start system. It is working. The caution lights, it is working. The charging port is working as well. So everything is okay. It's just that you can see the light here. So we are going to Yamaha service center today to have it checked, because the mechanic told me yesterday that yeah, you can use your motorcycle, let it charge, and then if it's still the same tomorrow, you can go back here and have it repaired. So we're going to Yamaha service center today to see what are they going to do to fix it. Alright, so yesterday we are having trouble finding where the computer box is, because usually it's near the battery. So we checked the box here, the compartment box, and it's not there. So I think it's in front, so they're going to check it later. Yeah, and we'll see what they're going to do. So for now, I'll close my camera and I'll open it again when we arrive at our destination. Goodbye for now. So guys, so we're now here at the Yamaha service center. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. They said that they will diagnose it first, and yeah, I'll update you later on what they're going to do. So yeah, the mechanic will try to reset the computer box, because I told him that the battery was drained yesterday, so he will try to reset it. Computer box. RCR dito. Yung
RCR po. Yun na lang po. RCR po. Okay.
Ito lang yung mahirap sa mga FI sir, no? Ma-sensitive sila.
Yes sir. Parang sniper sir, pag tinagilid mo siya, may anggulo lang yan na itatagilid niya. Kasi kung sobrang tagilid, mag-check engine siya.
Oh,
Oh.
paano?
May time na hindi mo pa siya mapapagkas kasi yung lean angle niya, pag nagalaw mo yun, wala na, hindi na andar, mawawala ng kuryente.
Yung
Pero
sniper
depende
sir.
naman sa pagkakatumba ng motor.
Kunwari pag yung nadisgrasya na pagkumpang
Ayun,
ganyan,
oo.
di naandar.
Depende sir.
And so i-reset lang nila. May nag-appear na tatlong problema sa computer, tapos ni-reset lang ni sir. Ngayon okay na, pag inon mo mawawala na. So ni-reset lang ni sir, dinilit niya lahat yung mga problema. Okay. So ganun daw talaga pag na-drain yung battery, nagkaka-problema daw talaga. So kailangan lang i-charge yung battery. Pag nag-charge na, tapos i-reset na lang, mawawala din. Ano palang pangalan mo, sir?
Jassel.
Mark.
Jassel po.
Mark Jassel. Oh. Hanapin niyo lang si sir. Mark Jassel.
Jassel po, Jassel.
Mark Jassel ng
Jassel
Yamaha.
po.
Oo.
Yung certificate po.
Siya yung gumawa ng van natin. Motor natin, no? Ayun.
Sabihin niyo lang po doon na nagpa-diagnose po kayo. Yun lang sir. Wala na po kang babayaran doon.
Ay, sige, sir. Sige, sir. Kailangan pa ba yung sir, yung parang libro na
Yung warranty book?
Oo.
Yung sabihin mo lang, tanong mo na lang kung anong kailangan doon.
Sige, sir. Sige, sir. No.
May ORCR po kayo?
Meron, no?
Pwede hiramin ko po?
Sige. Kailangan din ng ORCR.
Upload kayo sir?
Sir?
Upload kayo?
Oo. Ayun. Kayo ba yung isang nag-subscribe, sir, kagabi?
Oo.
Ay, kayo. Salamat, sir, Thank you. Sige, ma'am. Sige, sir. Thank you po. Sige. Okay. So, guys. Since covered pa naman ng warranty, wala namang babayaran, no? So, wala akong binayaran, pero sa susunod daw, pag hindi na covered ng warranty, yun na. Magbabayad na, no? Check engine light is now off. It is working now. So the mechanic just deleted the errors showing on the computer box. So they said that it usually happens when the battery is drained. So it is normal. All you have to do is to go to the Yamaha service center and they will reset it, or you can also go to other mechanics as long as they know how to fix it. But for me it is better to go here since I don't want to void the warranty. So yeah, I'll go home for now. I'll see you later. What's up guys? So we're at home now, and okay, so what I can say from this experience is, well, in my case, I know what caused the check engine light. So I know it is safe to drive the motorcycle or the Mio Gear S. It is safe because I know there is no problem with the stop and start system. There's no problem with the wirings. There's no, yeah, everything is working. So I think it is safe to drive. But in some cases, like if you don't know what caused the check engine light to turn on, it is better to go to the Yamaha service center so that the mechanic can check what happened to your motorcycle. So that's it. When you see the check engine light, you need to go to the Yamaha service center to have it fixed. You can't just drive the motorcycle while the check engine light is on, because you don't know what might happen. So it is better to it is better to have it checked. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share, also subscribe for future updates. So yeah, thank you for watching the video guys. See you next time. Ride safe. Bye.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
I've got a sister that I can say what's up with. Thank you when you get home.